Let's make some delicious jalebi. For the syrup, combine 1½ cups of sugar, 1½ cups of water, 4 to 5 cardamom pods, and a pinch of food color in a pan. Stir until it reaches a one-string consistency, then set it aside. Next, grind 1 cup of urad dal, soaked for 3 hours, into a fine paste using 3 ice cubes. Add 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of curd, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of food color. Mix well. Then fill your piping bag. Heat your oil. Swirl the batter into the hot oil to form the shapes. Fry them until crisp. Then immediately dip the hot jalebis into the warm syrup. It's ready. Enjoy. Subscribe.